Just got our Freedom pellet stove here, and we're going to go with some unboxing and assembly. First thing I'm going to grab is a box cutter just to get these straps off. Now you're going to get them out of the way so you don't trip over them as you're taking care of the rest of it then. And that's the only outside tool you'll need. Everything else comes with the unit. So first we're going to just go ahead and take off the top. And then these four corner posts right here. The outsides pull right up. And you're always going to want to maintain control of everything as you're doing it, because the unit is not bolted down to the pallet. And here it is, ready to go. All right, we're going to go ahead and take the box that I just removed to use as a workbench to take a look at what's inside. The first thing you'll notice is the owner's manual. It's going to have the remote control along with the 3 Allen wrenches that you'll need to complete your assembly. Next thing we have here is the Wi-Fi antenna and an additional igniter. We have the anti-seize that you're going to use to place the tailpipe on. We have a power cord here. Here is the control board. Here are the flame deflectors. Here are the 2 heat baffles. And here's the tailpipe with the gasket. And last is a heavy-duty scraper that comes along with it. And just be aware that there is a grate in here that stops any large objects from going down into the auger. Now that we have everything unboxed, we're going to go ahead and put in our heat baffle and our flame deflector. We're going to start with the burn pot flame deflector. Easily mounts on these 4 studs. Remember to put the lip up and back. We're going to install the heat exchange baffle. The things to remember is to have the tongue down in the back, to slide it all the way forward over the shelf, to move it back, put the tongue down, and rest it on the lip. Our stove came with a handle already attached, but some have been known to be left in the goodie bag. Easy enough to fix. Go ahead and take a 5/32 or 4mm Allen wrench. Take the bolt in the center of the handle and tighten till snug. Next, we're going to do the control board. First thing we're going to do is take the wire harness, pull it out from the back, and then we're going to insert it into the control board firmly but gently. Next, we're going to go ahead and install this onto the post, making sure to tuck the wire harness down as we lower it down, and then take our 4mm Allen wrench and tighten it up. All right, next we're going to go ahead and install the tailpipe. First we're going to want to remove these 4 posts You should be able to go ahead and remove them by hand. If you can't, the 4mm Allen wrench that you just used will also work for this. Next, we're going to want to go ahead and take that anti-seize and just dab it on the holes that you'll be reinstalling those bolts into in just a little bit. So we're going to want to go ahead and line up our tailpipe correctly. Remember, it's a rectangle. The two long parts are going to be on the top and the bottom. You're going to want to hold the tailpipe gasket through the tailpipe, much as I'm doing right here, and then line it up. Then you can go ahead and start the first bolt with your other hand. Make sure to install all 4 posts before tightening. Thanks for joining me for unboxing and assembly. That was a quick 10 minutes. Any further questions, make sure to refer to your owner's manual or your local dealer.